17, 25, 2/3 alive. I can still breathe enough of the time, enough to pretend like I'm alright. Eight, 17, 25 with bloodshot eyes. I can still sleep on most nights. I can still, but sometimes don't know, I don't know if anything's gonna get better, if anything's gonna get better yet, if anything's gonna get better yet, if anything's gonna, if anything's gonna. 8, 17, 25, my hands still tied. What's the routine? Clarified, leave behind the things that troubled my cluttered mind, my cluttered mind. 8, 17, 25, it's about time to say goodbye, detoxify my only life. I will not just get by, just get by, just get by, just get by. Don't know, 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 no, no. Don't know, 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 no, no. I don't know if anything's gonna get better, if anything's gonna get better yet, if anything's gonna get better yet, if anything's gonna, if anything's gonna, if anything's gonna get better, if anything's gonna get better yet, if anything's gonna get better yet, if anything's gonna. I've been learning that it's where I set my eyes. It will tell how this pain can shape and give life. I've been holding on so tight, but I know over time, yes I know, yes I know that everything's gonna get better, yep. Everything's gonna get better, yeah. Everything's gonna, everything's gonna get better. Everything's gonna get better, yeah. Everything's gonna get better, yeah. Everything's gonna, everything's gonna. Legend has it we could be legends, etched in the stone, forever on thrones. Histories made in the moments. Heroes collide, it's all on the line with our backs against the wall. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds. But just like we nobody forgets. Yeah, we'll be remembered for this. We came to fight.